Okay. Okay. All right, stop. Up, stop. Stop. All right, turn it off. Put the brake on. Brake.
I have the brake on. I'm holding the brake.
All right, so today had a little bit of a trauma to the new CV axle I replaced maybe a month or two ago. It wasn't very long ago. As you can see, it exploded on me. I got grease everywhere. The ball bearings went flying. This happened while I had the car up and the wheel still on it, and I was having my son put the car in reverse with the steering wheel turned all the way to the right, and I was having him hit the brakes to try to diagnose that grinding noise, and it didn't like that after a couple times, and it exploded. So I don't think the axle was the grinding noise. I think the wheel bearing is actually the problem. I don't hear it now, but after the accident, after the axle exploded, I was hearing the grinding when I did this, and now I'm not hearing it. So I'm wondering if that wheel bearing is intermittently grinding. So anyway, that's the current theory. At this point, the car has 200 and some odd thousand, like 220,000, something like that, miles on it. So I'm going to replace basically everything. I'm thinking stabilizer bushings, lower control arm, which will also replace the ball joint, and I'll replace the wheel bearing and the axle, of course, that exploded, and see if that doesn't get us back on the road. I just can't, I just don't know what the problem is. Anyway, that's the current status.